ఏంటి రేపటికి నెల అవుతుంది. చాలు. నిన్న ఎవరో కుర్చీలు ఎట్టుకెళ్ళారు ఇలాగా కుర్చీలు పెట్టుకెళ్ళారు. పిల్లలకి పెట్టేస్తాను. ఎంత చేసాడు 26 కాదు కాబట్టి కరెక్ట్ చెప్పుకోకూడదు నువ్వు చెప్పుకుంటా
వాకా ఇప్పుడు ఎవడికి వెళ్ళు ఓ వాయిస్ మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది.
To this latest project. Now, instead of doing in the master branch only, because when we do in the master branch, say for example, in the master branch, you have the latest code, say A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, D.Java. You have these files, A.Java, B.Java, 4 files. Now, the enhancements or modifications for the some 2 new requirements. Say for example, these have been committed into the master branch. I mean, these are in the master branch with some latest changes. Now say this has been developed, say, for a banking application. Now in some 2 new requirements have come in this banking application. Say one new requirement is for database changes and another requirement is for Spring Boot changes, let us take, or microservices changes. And those changes are happening in all these 4 files. 2 new requirements, one for database changes and another for microservice changes. And all those changes are happening in these 4 files. And these 2 changes or 2 requirements are being handled by either 2 project teams or 2 team members, depending on the size of the project. Now, if 2 members work on the same branch, on these 4 files, there will be conflicts. Because one person will be changing in A.Java some piece of the code. The same person in the same branch, he will be changing another piece of the code in same A.Java. There will be conflicts because that one person will be working on different lines of the code in the same file. Another person will be working on the different lines of the code in the same file. There will be conflicts will happen. So if they work on the same branch, not only conflicts will happen. Why means it will be same branch, and finally when you push to remote repository, because remote repository is the common one for every person, right? As long as you're in local repository, fine. But finally the goal is to push to remote repository. This is your goal. So this is your goal, right? This remote repository is your goal, and this will be the common repository. I mean, everyone can access this. Okay, as long as your local repository, fine. But now, when you push all these changes to remote repository, see whatever you are having the branches here, the same will be there in remote repository also. The branch, master branch. Now, if people push to the same branch, you'll get conflicts. So for that, what we do is, from master branch, we create 2 separate branches. This branch name is feature 1 branch. And another branch is feature 2 branch. Okay, you can give any name to the branch. I'm giving these names. Feature 2 branch. Right? Feature 1 branch or feature 2 branch. Or I'll tell you one more thing. We don't need even another branch also. If it is a small enhancement. So we'll create only one feature 1 branch. Okay? And in this feature 1 branch, these 2 project teams or 2 team members will be working with all the changes. Even there are conflicts also, they'll do all the merge operations. I'll tell you what is merge operation, everything. And finally, all the changes will be again merged to master branch. That is called merge. So merge operation means merging one branch to other branch, combining one branch to other branch. And finally, your master branch is most important. So this is your core branch. In between, any enhancements you get or any changes you get, okay, you can work in the respective branches and finally combine with master branch. Okay, now I'll see. So from a branch, see the default branch is master branch. Now from master branch, we can create many branches. Okay, if a team needs to work on some enhancements or new requirements, they create a branch from master branch, do all the commits, and finally merge to master branch. And how we'll do, I'll tell you. And finally merge to master branch. Do all the commits in this branch. And finally merge to master branch. Okay, so merging means combining. Merge means combining one branch with other branch. I'll show you now with source tree and with git commands also I'll show you. But first, okay, see, what I'll do is, now this is my master branch. Okay, this is my master branch. This is your last commit, right? This is your last commit. Now, if I open your last commit, this is your last commit, right? I'll just open this. Now you see, so this is your a.java. This is your b.java database logic. c.java is also database logic. Now data one. Okay. This is your latest project code. Just a dummy project. Okay. Now this is your master branch. Now what I'll do is I can create a branch. How I'll create a branch is I'll show from command, even from source tree also I'll show you. Git branch feature 1. So git branch feature 1. Git branch feature 1 will create a new branch. We'll create a new branch from the current branch. And what is your current branch? Currently now it is master branch as of now. In our example, it is current branch is master branch. This is master branch. We'll create a new branch from current branch. In our example, it is master branch. Now, if I list down git branches, git branch will list the master. This right? See, now you got one more branch added, feature 1 and master. The star represents what your star represents. Your star represents the current branch is master. Though I created new branch feature, but the current branch is still pointing to master. Okay. So when I say git branch, it will list the branches, right? As I told here, git branch, this command lists the branches in the repository. Okay, again I'm typing here. So for any branch, the star, if star is represented, the star represents the current branch in my repository, in my repo. Okay, the current branch. Yeah, I did not tell you that remote repo, right? So we are in the still local repo. Okay. So for any branch, the star represents the current branch in my repo. Now you see, even in source tree also I'll show you this. Now you see, in source tree also you see, in branches there is master branch and feature branch. There is a master branch and feature branch. And the highlight, the circle with the bold color is showing the current branch. That means my current branch is this one. That means your local repo. Your local repo represents this one. Okay. Now, what I'll do is now, I will switch to, I can switch. So we can switch from, now you see, where are we now? I'll tell you again. This is my master branch. How many nodes are there in master branch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your master branch. From master branch, we will create a new branch using the command git branch feature. We can also create from source tree also. How means? I can create click on this branch icon. If I click on this branch icon, it will give the new branch name. And create a branch, it will create. See, without using this command, without using this git branch command, from source tree, just select this branch select this branch, give the new branch name. That's all. Okay. See, I can create this. Now, from here I'm creating a new branch. Let me now put a green color here. From here a new branch is created. The new branch name is feature 1. Now my current branch in the local repo is master branch only. If I want to switch it to this branch, see, from source tree easy. Just double click on this. Just a double click on this. Just a double click. See, just a double click on this. Now your current branch is pointing to feature 1 branch. Your current branch is pointing to feature 1 branch, and here if you see, feature 1 and master are pointing same, because you created the feature 1 branch from this commit, right? From this commit you created. Okay, so when you created from this commit, automatically all the changes will be part of this commit, right? So your new feature branch 1 starts from here. So that's why if you see here, feature 1, it starts from here. Now, even if I show here git branch, now you see your current branch is now showing feature 1. Now what I do is, I do some changes. Now I got the code into this feature 1 branch. I do changes to this branch now. What I do is, from in C.Java, I'll change from database logic to file system logic. Okay, I'm changing this. Now you see git status. Now see, this is your modified C.Java, where in the current branch, on branch feature, not in the master branch. Now you can, now the same process, you can add to staging area, from staging area to local repo all. So I can do this one, right? Now you see, C.Java, I can move this to staging area. Okay, and then I can commit it to permanent area. Now changes to C.Java for file system logic. Then click on commit. Now you see this commit. This commit is on feature 1. See that commit from, see, if you see here, the diagram, source tree diagram. Earlier my feature branch was here, starting at the master. Now I did a commit now. Now the feature 1 branch has been, this is the new commit. That means like this now. In the diagram, if you see, a new commit has been done. Now this is your master branch. This is your master branch, and this is your new feature 1 branch. This is your new feature 1 branch. And this is the last commit, feature 1 branch. This one. So this is your new feature 1 branch. This is the last commit in this. And this is head actually. So head represents the last node in the current branch. What is your current branch? Feature 1 branch. Head is the last commit in the current branch. And your current branch is the feature 1. Okay. Now Now if I want to switch it to again master branch, what I'll do from the source tree, I can come to again double click on master, double click on master. Now it is switching. Now your head point, your head is changed to here. Your head is changed to here. That means if I want again switch back my from feature one branch to new branch, now my head is now here. Now if I go to my workspace and see c.java, you can see database logic. Your master branch still has database logic, but your feature one branch is having file system logic. Okay. Now if I switch again, to feature one branch, now again go to c.java. Is it b.java or c.java? No. Is it switched actually? File system logic, feature one. No, I did not switch it, right? Yeah. I have to switch feature one. So now it is feature one. Now go to your c.java. Now you see file system logic. Your feature one branch has file system logic and your master branch has database logic. Now again I switch back to master branch. Now go to your c.java. See database logic. Okay, now close this. Again go to your feature one branch. Now go to your c.java, file system logic. It will be the same path. So branches sit on the same path, right? They belong to the same local repo. From this, if you see the diagram, from the existing tree, I am creating a new tree. See, I'm switching. See, I'm showing you. See, feature one branch contains c.java file system logic. Master branch contains c.java database logic. Okay. Now go to your remember this. Now switch it to, now it is feature one. Feature one means file system logic. C.java. Now switch it to master. Now your head is changed to master. Go to c.java database logic. Now again switch it to feature one. Now this is feature one. So go to c.java file system. See how Git is actually switching, how we are switching the branches and the commits are maintained. And you can see the graph here also, you see. So the circle, the root node now represents this one. Now when I switch here, it will be again database logic. It is a master branch. See, from source tree, you can switch. But from command prompt, how we can do? There is a command actually. How we can do is, now let me see Git branch. What is my current branch? Current branch is master. Now, if I want to switch it to feature one branch, there is a command called git checkout. Git checkout feature one. I mean, if you don't want to use source tree, you want to use command git checkout feature one. Now you see, switch it to branch feature one. Now, when I switch to branch feature one, what will be there in c.java? File system logic, right? Go to c.java file system logic. So from source tree, just a double click on this particular branch, it will switch to that particular branch. But from command prompt, you have to give this command, git checkout, to which branch you have to switch out. Okay? So git checkout. check out feature 1. This command will switch to feature 1 branch. The changes are not being appended. Each branch will maintain its own commit, right? The commit will have its own change, right? See, in master branch, what is a commit? If you see DB logic. In file feature 1, what is the logic? What is a commit? C.java file system logic. So when I switch to this feature 1, you will see file system logic. When you switch to master, you will see DB logic. So from here, the tree, if you think like a tree data structure, a graph, from this node I'm switching to, so now this path is your feature 1 branch and this path is your master branch. And finally, if you want to merge, if you want to merge master branch and feature 1 branch, so I want to merge master branch to feature 1 branch. Or merge master branch and feature branch. That means master branch also should have C.java file system logic, right? Currently, master branch is having C.java database logic. Currently, C.java is having file system logic. Master branch contains C.java database logic. Now, when I merge master branch and feature 1 branch, master branch should have now C.java file system logic, because your feature 1 branch is having C.java file system logic. This is your latest change. Master branch should have C.java. That means master branch should be merged with feature 1 branch. See, from source tree, how we'll do, very simple. But from Git, we have to do command. Very simple. Go to your master branch. Okay? Just 1 minute. Select here merge. Are you sure you want to merge feature 1 into your current branch? Okay. Now you see, your master and feature 1 are pointing to the same head node. Now your current branch is master. See, now your current branch is master. Go to your C.java. Your master is also having file system logic. Where your feature 1 is having, now your master is also having file system logic. What I did, just switch it to master and select here, right click, there is a merge command. Okay, in Git also we'll use merge using command. So merge here, select merge. So now it will see, now master and feature 1 are merged to the same path. Everyone is following? Any doubts? Any questions till now? Everyone clear, right? Everyone clear, right? What I told you till now. I'll show the merge command once again. Okay. See, just go to your current branch. Which branch you want to merge? Go there, right click on that, click on this merge. Now already I merged, so it is disabled now. Just select merge. That's all. Simple. But in the command also, I'll tell you from git command also. But from source tree, I'm showing here. Again, I'll show you merge command. Okay. Merge is a very again for merge itself, I'll take some time. Merge is a separate topic again. Just to show you quickly, I did it. But merge, I have to take a separate topic. Can we get back the older version after merging? Simple, right? Just go here. Okay. Click on OK. Now your head is pointing here. So this is your older version. Now go to your master branch. See, now you got database logic. Very simple. Source tree, you can play with anything. Earlier it was file system logic. Now it is database logic. Just go to see which commit we want, which older version we want. Go there. See, I want this one, this older version. So double click on that. That's all. Again, I want to go to the newer version. Double click on this. Click on OK. Now go here. Now your C.Java is now file system. So to which commit you want to go, just go there, double click. That's all. See, with the source tree, you can play with anything. Git commands means you have to type the command. You have to type the commands, okay? With source tree, especially merging is very easy. Just click on that, this one. Practice the source tree, okay? Practice source tree, okay? Very important. See, git commands also very important. But if you want to do very quickly, you can use source tree. Okay. Yeah, we can do demerge also, right? See, for example, this is my current branch. Reset current branch to this commit. Now you see, now your master is this one, feature is this one. You are demerging. Just select on that. You'll get, see, this option is disabled now because I already done. Reset current branch to this commit. I am demerging. See, now feature one and master are demerged. Now what is your master branch now shows? If it is demerged, it will show database logic. Everyone understood? Again, if I want to merge now, right, select this to this commit. I want to merge the current branch. See, my current branch is master. I want to merge now to this commit. So right click on this, reset current branch to this commit. Current branch is master. To which commit I am merging? To feature one commit. I mean to head of the feature one. So click on this, reset current branch to this commit. Okay? Master and feature one. Now your master will have file system changes, right? So when merge is happening, what will happen, This is your master branch. This is your master branch. And now, to this node, when I'm merging to this commit, both your master and feature will be pointing to the same node actually. Okay, when merge is happening, before merge, this is before merge. This is your feature one head, feature one, last commit. And this is your master last commit. Okay. Now after merge, so let me draw quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from here you will get a feature branch. Okay, now after merge, so your feature one is pointing, feature one last commit, and master also last commit. So whereas before merge, this is your master branch last commit and this is your feature one branch last commit. Now after merge, so feature one last commit and master last commit. And this is your head, right? This is your head. This is what we call head. Any questions till now? Any questions? So remember, when is your next class? Tuesday. Huh? In the meanwhile, today and tomorrow, I'll commit all the notes, commands. You practice these 4 days, okay? Today night or tomorrow, I'll check in all these files. If on both branches commit on the same file, you can do only one commit per branch, right, at a time. Whatever your current branch, you will be working on only the current branch, right? You cannot have two current branches at the same time. Current branch is only one branch only. When two members work on C.Java, initially they will be there in the local repository, right? One member will be having his own system, another member will be having another system. When they combine to remote repository only, there the problem comes. Other time, I did not go to remote repository still now. Currently now, local repositories are in their own systems, in their own laptops. Git is your local repository. GitHub is your remote repository. I did not tell the GitHub till now. Only Git I am telling. Okay then. I will check in all these files to your Google Classroom. Tomorrow no class, so Tuesday I'll take. Okay, Tuesday I'll take the class. Probably what I'll do is after 2 weeks I'll take even Saturdays also. Only Monday I'll be giving leave. But after 2 weeks, I'll take even Saturdays also. Okay. But now we'll meet on Tuesday. So the next class is on Tuesday. Next class is on Tuesday. So after 2 weeks, I will take Saturdays. Okay, I'll take Saturdays also. No Mondays. Okay, no Mondays. Okay. So next class is on Tuesday. Then, yeah, today or tomorrow I'll upload git commands, source tree usage in Google Classroom link. See, either you should know both, either of this. If you know both, very good. If you know git commands, very good. Even if you don't know git commands, if you know source tree, very good. All right then. See, Google Classroom link already I sent you, right? I think I'm sending. I sent to everyone. No, Ansible is not. I did not work on Ansible till now. I don't know Ansible. It's a DevOps tool, but I did not work on it. See, I am not actually a plain DevOps person. I'm actually a programming person. Okay. That's why these tools also, I'm telling you with the programming examples. Because I like programming. Okay. All right then. Any questions till now? Everyone clear? Fine. Sure. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I remember you. Yes. Okay then. Thank you all. See you on Tuesday.